Hey guys, welcome back to my channel. I hope all of you guys are doing okay. I'm doing great. It's the festive season and I decided to upload a video on how I make my beef stew or meat stew. So in case you're worried about what you're going to make for Christmas, you don't have to. I'll be showing you how to make a delicious meat stew in this video that you can also serve during the holidays or on Christmas Day. So just lay back, relax and enjoy the video. Don't forget to like this video, subscribe to my channel and turn on your notification bell. So let's get into the video. Our main ingredients are 1 kilogram of meat, green peppers, spring onions, garlic, onions, and tomato paste. The other additional ingredients you'll see further in the video when I get into the cooking. So let's go. So we're going to start off by adding 1 tablespoon of oil or cooking margarine to a heated pan. And it really doesn't have to be a wok pan. You can use a regular pan or a cooking pan or a wok pan. Then you're going to add your meat. In case you're wondering, yes, it has bones on it. I really like my meat with a little bit of bone or fat, not just beef, please no. So you're going to give that a good stir and then you let the meat cook. We are trying to cook it on medium heat so that it can produce that juice because you're going to need it further in the video. Let me know in the comment section if you like your meat with a little bit of bone and fat or you just like it plain beef, because personally, beef is a no for me. So as you can see, the meat has produced some gravy, and that gravy we are going to drain it at the moment. Put it aside and then cook the meat on high heat so that all the water in the meat can dry out, and then we'll start frying it. So you want to fry it on high heat so that it can brown, not too high to burn it, but just enough to brown it. Now at this point we are going to add our chopped onions and also add our garlic, and then we are going to stir that a little bit more until the onions and the garlic have also browned. But can we just take a moment and just appreciate how brown that meat is, and then the contrast of the onions and the brown meat. Don't call me Chef Rashida for no reason. So now that the onions have also browned, we're going to start adding our ingredients. We'll start with the green peppers. Now we're going to add 1 teaspoon of liquid maggi, 1 tablespoon of sweet soy sauce, 1 tablespoon of soy sauce, 1 teaspoon of white pepper, half teaspoon of paprika powder, half a teaspoon of ginger powder, half a teaspoon of knofflock pepper mix, half a teaspoon of turmeric powder, 1 teaspoon of coriander powder, 1 tablespoon of salt. And then we are going to stir it up and make sure all the ingredients mix up well with our meat. And now we're going to add half a cup of tomato paste. Yay! And too bad you cannot smell this through the screen because it was smelling good already. Now we're going to add 1 cup of spring onions, and again, stir and stir. It does not end, okay? So here I just added 1 cup of colorful vegetables just to add a little bit of color. So this step is optional. You can skip it, or you can add whatever vegetables that you like. You can add carrots, some corn or red peppers. And now we're going to add our gravy that we drained earlier in the video, and we're going to add 500 ml of water. And finally 100 ml of starch mixed in water. So just get 100 ml of water, mix some starch, and then add it as well. And now we're going to cover it and let it cook for 30 to 45 minutes on medium heat. Just remember to stir it every now and then so that it does not burn at the bottom. Now our meat is ready. You can serve it immediately, or if you're not ready, you can just serve it later. But don't you worry, you can always warm it whenever you need to. It's not something that will go bad when it cools down. No, you can always warm it and it will be good as new. And oh my god, look at the consistency of the soup. Look how juicy that soup is. Just look at that. Honestly, if you tell me you have nothing to cook on Christmas Day and you're not going to serve your guests very nice, delicious meals and soup and stew like this, I have no words for you, honestly. Anywho, we are at the end of the video. Thank you so much for watching. Thank you for subscribing. Thank you for supporting. If you haven't subscribed, please subscribe to this channel. Please share this video. Please like this video. And all the information will be in the description box, the ingredients, the spices, everything. And until next time, stay blessed and stay safe. Happy holidays! Mwah.